Ratatouille, a culinary adventure of friendship and creativity. Once upon a time in the bustling city of Paris, there lived a small but determined rat named Remy. Unlike his fellow rodents who scavenged for scraps in the sewers, Remy dreamed of becoming a renowned chef, inspired by the culinary delights he discovered in the kitchens of Parisian households. Remy longed to create dishes that would tantalize the taste buds and ignite the senses. However, Remy's aspirations were met with skepticism and disdain from his family, who believed that a rat's place was in the shadows, not in the world of haute cuisine. Despite their protests, Remy refused to abandon his dreams, determined to prove that anyone, no matter how small or unexpected, could achieve greatness. One fateful day, Remy's path crossed with that of a hapless young man named Linguini, who stumbled into the prestigious restaurant Gusto's seeking employment. Linguini, a clumsy and inexperienced kitchen assistant, found himself in over his head as he attempted to navigate the demanding world of professional cooking. Recognizing an opportunity to fulfill his culinary ambitions, Remy struck an unlikely alliance with Linguini, offering his expertise as a chef in exchange for a partnership in the kitchen. Together, they embarked on a daring adventure, blending Remy's culinary genius with Linguini's eager enthusiasm to create dishes that captivated the palates of diners and critics alike. However, their success did not come without challenges. Linguini's secret partnership with a rat raised eyebrows and sparked controversy among the staff of Gusto's, including the temperamental head chef, Skinner, who harbored suspicions about Linguini's sudden rise to culinary stardom. As tensions reached a boiling point and their partnership hung in the balance, Remy and Linguini were forced to confront their fears and insecurities, learning valuable lessons about friendship, loyalty, and the true meaning of success along the way. In the end, Remy and Linguini's culinary talents earned them the respect and admiration of their peers, proving that with determination, courage, and a dash of creativity, even the unlikeliest of partnerships could achieve greatness. Together, they inspired a new generation of chefs to embrace their passions and follow their dreams, leaving a legacy that would be celebrated for generations to come. And as the aroma of their delectable creations wafted through the streets of Paris, Remy and Linguini knew that they had truly achieved their own recipe for success. As Remy and Linguini continued to dazzle patrons at Gusto's with their innovative dishes, their partnership flourished, and they became a formidable team in the culinary world. With each new creation, they pushed the boundaries of traditional cuisine, infusing their dishes with flavors and techniques that captivated the imagination and delighted the senses. Despite their growing success, challenges persisted. Skinner, driven by jealousy and suspicion, intensified his efforts to uncover the truth behind Linguini's sudden rise to fame. His relentless pursuit threatened to expose Remy and jeopardize their dreams of culinary greatness. Meanwhile, Remy grappled with his own internal struggles, torn between his desire to pursue his passion for cooking and his loyalty to his family. As tensions mounted and the stakes grew higher, Remy found himself at a crossroads, forced to confront his fears and make difficult choices that would determine the course of his destiny. In a climactic showdown at Gusto's, Remy and Linguini faced off against Skinner in a high-stakes culinary duel that would decide the fate of their partnership and their dreams. With their skills and creativity put to the test, they unleashed a feast of flavors that left diners breathless and critics in awe. In the end, Remy and Linguini emerged victorious, proving once and for all that talent, determination, and friendship could conquer even the greatest of obstacles. As they basked in the glow of their triumph, they knew that their journey was far from over and that their culinary adventures were only just beginning. Together, they embarked on new culinary adventures, sharing their passion for cooking with the world and inspiring others to follow their dreams. And as they continued to push the boundaries of gastronomy, Remy and Linguini knew that their partnership would endure, serving as a shining example of what can be achieved when passion and perseverance collide. As Remy and Linguini's fame spread throughout Paris, they attracted the attention of renowned food critics and culinary enthusiasts from around the world. Their innovative dishes earned them accolades and awards, cementing their status as culinary icons and elevating Gusto's to new heights of gastronomic excellence. With their newfound success came opportunities for Remy and Linguini to expand their culinary empire beyond the confines of Gusto's. They opened their own restaurant, aptly named Ratatouille, where they continued to push the boundaries of traditional cuisine and delight diners with their inventive creations. As Ratatouille flourished, Remy and Linguini remained committed to their principles of inclusivity and creativity, welcoming chefs of all backgrounds and species to join their